Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any assistance. So let me show you how I did it and let's go over it. This one is 681 next closest time. So basically pretty simple. You want to reuse all the digits as many times as you can. So there's a lot of different combinations in here. It can be 9999, 3133. As long as you use some digits that's in here and you want to find the next closest time, meaning the time has to be, let's say you're at 2359. Well, you have to wrap around to 012. You can't just go backwards and say 2354 or 2355 because it has to wrap back and then that's the next closest time. So in this case it's 2222, so the time always goes forward, it cannot go backwards. If you reach 2400, then you go back to 000 and then you go 001, etc. right? So that's the important point here. Otherwise, let's get all the digits. So for t in time, if t dot is digit, so it's not going to be a colon, then we can go ahead and append to digits list. And then what I'm going to do is just get all the combinations with replacements, and let's do digits, and the size is just going to be, let's say the size is length of time. Let's do size -1 because we're going to just insert, we're going to insert the colon fixed at the end because you can see the length is always going to be 5, so that's pretty easy. And now notice that 1939 is not here, so I'm going to, for A in permutations, for P in permutations of combination of size -1, then we're going to print P. And because you can see 1939 is not here, maybe it's like reordered. 1993, we want 1939, we just want to swap these two. So just to check, if print P. Okay, so 1939 should be in there somewhere. So just to do this, if P of 0 is equal to 1 and P of 1 is equal to 9, let's print P just to sort of check our work. 1939, where is it? Oh, perfect. See, there we go. So now we can basically filter by these rules. So the first half is going to be P of up to 2, second is P of 2 to the end. And this length of 5 really helps us out because, so each of 2, so we're going to make these a string and then turn them back into an integer. And again, the constraint is less than 24, less than 60. So if first is less than 24, this part has to be less than 24. And then this part, the minute cannot be 60. It has to be at most 59, right? And int second is less than 60. So int first, in that case, then we can go ahead and print P because that's a valid arrangement. Okay, cool. So now that we have all the combinations, what I'm going to do is go ahead and create a sorted set. And we're just going to add first plus this colon plus second. We're just going to create a nice space in the middle with a colon. And this is not a string, that's the actual variable. Okay, so let's print SS. Cool. So our answer is going to be in here somewhere, but the issue, for example, if we're here, okay, this is not going to be it. It's odd. Huh. Okay. So, oh, is it 3 to the end? No. Let's print first and second. Yeah, that's right. Cool. So let's see what's going on here. 2359. Yeah, so that should be it. 2359. 2359. Let's see. 23. I saw it somewhere. 53. 23. 5. So if. Well, okay. So, cool. So I actually want to illustrate a point here because this is now important. We're going to find this inside of this list because this just reminded me now this is just going to be everything from 0 up to this. And then we're going to find the closest one, right? So that's kind of the point that I was trying to make. So let's do, I don't know why it's, okay. So this should be it though. I don't know why this is not showing other values. Yeah, this is, so for example, this is supposed to be in there. That's weird. Nope, what? Oh, why is this? Oh, that was just to make sure that we're on track for the just this test case, right? Okay. Okay, awesome. So now the job is to find the location of the time that we're given as the input, and then we want to wrap around. We can only go forward, so this direction. We cannot go backwards, and we're just going to say the location is bisect left inside of SS time because the colon is already made, and then we're going to have a first and a second half. The first half is going to be from the current location to the end, actually +1 to the end because we don't want the current time. So, for example, we're going to land here, whatever index that is. This is the first half, and then the second half is just going to be up here. And then we're just going to get the first element, the very first element, because it's the next time that's the closest. This is already a sorted set, right? This is already ordered. So that's my way of doing it. And so we're just going to say the first half is SS location +1 to the end, if that has anything. And the second is SS up to location. And then the third, let's just call 3 is first plus second. Let's print 3. Okay. And so if not 3, then we just return the time. Otherwise, we want to just return 3 of 0 because that's the next closest time to the right. Right meaning time going chronologically, right? So let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.